effective number of particles per unit simple unit shell. In the simple unit cell, we have the particle present at all the corners, and every particle of the corner contribute 1 by 8. 8 corners we have, and every particle at the corner contribute 1 by 8. So now how many total number of particle or effective number of particles? 8 corners, and each particle present at the corner contribute 1 by 8. In the simple unit cell, we have 1 particle per unit shell. Body centered unit. In the body centered unit cell, and in addition to the particles present at the corner, we also have 1 extra particle at the center of the body, which is called the body center. And we know that contribution of the body center particle is 1, and contribution of the corner particle is 1 by 8. So how many number of particles we have now? 8 corners. Each corner has 1 particle, and each particle of the corner contribute 1 by 8, plus 1 particle of the body center, and particle of the body center is always 1. We have 2 particles per unit shell. 1 unit of the body centered unit cell consists 2 particles in 1 unit cell. Third one is the face centered unit shell. In the face centered unit cell, the particles are present at the corner, and in addition to the corner, they are also present at the face centers. Particles present at the corner, and in addition to the corner, they are also present at the face center. And we know every particle of the corner contribute 1 by 8, and every particle of the face center contribute half. 8 corner, each corner consists 1 particle, and contribution of each particle at the corner is 1 by 8. Then how many face center we have? 6 face consists the 6 face center, and every face center consists 1 particle. So 6 face, and contribution of every particle at the face center is the half. So 1 plus 3, we have 4 particles per unit shell. End centered unit cell. In the end centered unit cell, we know that particles are present at the corners, and in addition to the corners, particles are present at any 2 opposite face center. Each particle of the corner contribute 1 by 8, and each particle of the face center contribute half. Number of particles become 8 particle at the corner, each contribute 1 by 8, plus 2 face center, and contribution of the particle of the face center is half. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 particles per unit shell. Number of the particle in the simple unit cell 1, number of the particle in the body centered unit cell 2, number of the particle in the face centered unit cell 4, and number of particle in the end centered unit cell is again 2.